Hey guys, welcome to Talk on It Phone. Cyrus here, and I'm looking at the Qmobile Infinity C. Now, Qmobile has been in the Pakistani market for quite a while now, and they have come up with their new Infinity range of smartphones. Now, their main aspect of these smartphones is the full view display. These devices have great displays for viewing videos and playing games, and the version we have today is the Qmobile Infinite C. Now, just looking at the specs of the device has a full 18 by 9 aspect ratio, high screen. It's a 5-inch display, 960p. Internally, it has 1 GB RAM and comes with 16 GB internal storage. The front and back cameras are 5 megapixel, and you get a front-facing selfie flash as well for all those selfie lovers out there. So now let's just open the device. Here you can see that the device comes with Digicom warranty. So if you're planning to buy a Qmobile, make sure that your warranties are proper. So here you can see that of course you have your Digicom warranty card over here, and of course the mobile, etc. So just looking at some more specs. So of course, like I said, it has an 18 by 9 high screen ratio. It's a 5-inch LCD display, and it's a 2.5D Panda glass. Panda glass basically gives it more protection, and if the 2.5D means that the screen is curved from the edges. Like I said, the camera has the front and back camera both have 5 megapixel, with flash of course. The battery capacity is 2700 milliamp, so it will last you a day easily. In the processors front, it has a 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor. From the software point of view, it runs on Android 7.0 Nougat, and when it comes to SIMs, the device supports separate slots for dual SIM and a micro SD card slot, so you don't have to switch between a memory card and a second SIM. So let's just open the device now. Let's open the seals. Let's see what we have. So here you guys, the device itself. So here we get the Pta Approved Sticker. So guys, if you don't have this, please return your device. This certifies it's authenticated. Okay, so inside the box you find your USB 2.0 mini USB data cable, the charger dock, 3.5 millimeter headphones. These are your standard headphones. Okay, so the 2700 milliamp battery is removable, which you don't find in a lot of phones these days, but this is a great thing if you're planning to use this device for a very long time, so that you can of course remove and get a new battery instead. So and of course you have your customer care booklet and the user manual. So let's just open this and put the battery in. So guys, we finally managed to open the back of the device. So here you have your SIM slot 1, your SIM slot 2, and your micro SD card slot here. It can house up to 32 GB in memory card as well. So let's just put in the battery. This is the correct way. Close it. Close it properly. Let's open the device. Okay, so while the device is opening, While the device is opening, let's just look at all the stuff we get in the phone. So you have your headphones over here. So you have your headphones, you have your charging cable dock, you have your USB data cable, and that's about it. So while this is loading, uh, let's look at the device. So we have the gold version of the device. Here is your Qmobile logo. There is nothing on the back other than the logo, so there's actually a clean finish, and the phone's grip is actually decent. The buttons on the side, you can see that this is the power button, these are your volume rockers, and they in your hand, so they press very nicely. On the top you have your 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones, and you have your USB 2.0 charging port as well. So at the bottom there is just the mic. And while the device loads, so it finally booted up. So let's just get started. So while this is being set up, you find the 5 megapixel camera over here and the selfie flash as well. So the screen has, the phone actually has finally opened, and here you can see this is a 5-inch LCD with a full view 18:9 ratio display. So and if it is a 2.5D display, because here you can see from the edges it is slightly curved. So I don't know if you can see it, but there is definitely a curve here. From the software point of view, it runs on Qmobile's own theme, but beneath it is Android 7.0 Nougat. Let's decrease the brightness a bit so you guys can see it betterly. So this is a great thing that on the main menu you have a screenshot option as well, and the flashlight. So when you open the flashlight here, you can see the flashlight. So of course it makes it easier as well. So just going in the settings, you're going about phone, and you can see Qmobile Q Infinity C runs on Android version 7.0. Yeah, so this is the setup. So the way the theme goes is that it does not house an app drawer, so you have all your apps over here. So the price of this device, guys, is 8,500 Pakistani rupees. So if you want it, you can buy it from Qmobile's outlets directly. That's about it, guys. Hope you like the unboxing video. Until next time, take care, guys. See ya.